Assalamu alaikum, dear friends, and welcome to our channel, Bilradatillah, the secrets of the Quran and Dhikr. Today, we will delve together into the spiritual depth of an extremely powerful invocation known as Ismoul Azam. This invocation, using one of the most sublime names of Allah, has the potential to fulfill all your needs and desires. I invite you to stay with me until the end to discover how to practice this invocation optimally and fully benefit from its extraordinary effects. Before we begin, it is essential to understand the importance of spiritual preparation. Rising at night, between 2 a.m. and dawn, is a privileged time for this practice. It is a period of silence and tranquility where the connection with Allah can be deeper and more sincere. Here are the steps to follow to prepare. Perform your ablutions with care. Ablution is an act of purification, not only physical but also spiritual. Make sure to do it meticulously. Make your intention for prayer. The sincerity of your intention is crucial. Clearly specify in your heart the reason for which you are making this invocation. Once you have performed your ablutions and set your intention, proceed to perform 2 rakats of prayer. Follow this pattern for each rakat. Start by reciting Surah Al-Fatiha, the mother of the Quran, which opens the door to divine guidance. Follow with another surah of your choice. Choose a surah that particularly resonates with you or has special significance for your current situation. Conclude the 2 rakats by making the final salam. Salute the angels at your sides, thus signifying the end of your prayer. Now that you have completed your 2 rakats, proceed to the special invocation. Recite this powerful invocation 7 times with devotion.
اللهم إني أسألك بأن لك الحمد لا إله إلا أنت المنان بديع السماوات والأرض يا ذا الجلال والإكرام يا حي يا قيوم.
After the recitation, take a moment to make your wishes and requests to Allah. Be specific and sincere in your prayers, for Allah loves to be asked with a humble and confident heart. To maximize the benefits of this practice, integrate this invocation into your daily routine by reciting it 7 times after each obligatory prayer throughout the week. This strengthens your connection with Allah and multiplies the chances of seeing your wishes fulfilled. This invocation is not only powerful by its words but also by the context in which it is used. According to an authentic hadith reported by Anas bin Malik, a man prayed by praising Allah and invoking Him with this supreme name. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, confirmed that this man had used the greatest name of Allah, thereby ensuring the fulfillment of his prayers. Imagine the power you hold in your hands by reciting this invocation. Learn this invocation by heart, paying particular attention to the correct pronunciation, preferably in Arabic, to reap all its benefits. After a few days of regular practice, you will begin to observe positive changes in your life, answers to your prayers, and increased serenity in your heart. So, dear friends, here is the secret of the Confirmation invocation, a precious key to fulfilling all your needs. I sincerely hope that this method will be beneficial to you and bring you the answers you seek. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to receive more spiritual and inspiring content. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. See you next time.